ari ubazanira icyo wenyine igihumbi nari
n'utwo tuntu tw'umushinga
How are you?
Good. Welcome, thank you.
Hello, sister. My friend, welcome.
My brother, hi.
Hello.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
Hello,
Thank you. Thank you.
something
Thank you.
you want
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Hello, you're welcome,
Hello.
brother.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
Have a t-shirt.
Thanks. Thanks. Hello.
Oh, sorry, see you.
Mr. Back again?
Me again.
Welcome.
Hello.
Can I look here?
Thank you. Thank you.
Look at me.
babaho bajya kwishura
Sorry. Hello. Excuse me. Sorry.
Hello.
Hello.
You want shirt?
Ntabwo bayemera iyo nzana joda ni ikirasi.
Hello. No, just walking around.
Anytime in minutes, very charming.
So, welcome.
Thank you.
So, welcome back.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, my friend, wait.
Me again. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
With this one. ariko njye mfite amashokora menshi ntuzashyire
Check. Can I get one?
Yes.
How much?
Can you tell me your suggestion? How much you want to pay?
Give you 1,000.
1,000? No problem. Make 3,000.
2,000. This is a good. This is a really good one. Just one. I just need one.
Maybe you bought another thing?
No. You have stickers?
Sticker, yes. Ask me. Shoes, no problem. I check. Nese mwana ubu ngubu yagiye kandi wasanga kwasiteri bayimanuye siriya bazi ko ari iyabo ayo kama.
Okay.
Brother, you continue here, brother. Come and here.
No, it's okay. Yes. Thank you.
Come and take a look. It's free to look.
I know.
Yes, come.
It's okay.
It's free to look. I have this. Come and take a look.
I have a look. No, but I don't need this. Thank you.
Okay, take a look. I have apron and
I also don't need
gloves.
this. Thank you.
How about magnet?
I get one here.
Try
Sorry.
to support all. Please.
I know.
Try to support.
You need the
Take
stick.
one and one.
One sticker.
Yeah.
No, not stick. Sticker. But it's okay. Anyway,
Sticker na gari sticker ni.
it's okay.
Sticker.
You need
2,000 for this one. It's okay. 2,000 for this.
And me, my friend, try to support me. One
Thank you.
thing.
Support
her. Support me, please.
I already have. Sorry.
I have a fan.
No, I don't need. Thank you. I know. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. You have a good day. Yeah. Thank you.
How about key holder?
My stick. It's mine.
How about key holder, sir? One
Bye-bye.
Are you forget?
Yeah,
How
bye,
about?
Thank you. No, it's okay. Thank you.
What about
Thank you. I don't need a stick. No stick. Hello. Oh, sorry. Excuse me.
The Bible is telling us a story of how this family was. It was a family that feared the Lord because the Bible says the husband of this family, the deceased, was a God-fearing man, was a son of the prophet. But then bad times knocked at this family that one day the man had to go and borrow.
Hasa ni metro mirongo ine.
And bad times increased the more that one day the husband got sick. And then it increased the more that he died. And a season of widowhood and orphanhood.
Come here.
Things even grew worse that then the creditors knocked.
Excuse me.
Hello.